morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on the unboxing of this new wearable. It is a smart band smartwatch style. Okay, it's the C2 Plus smart bracelet or smartwatch. Okay, so we have here very simple packaging. So this one, it is a very affordable wearable if you are looking for a smartwatch smart band. Okay, similar to the Z Blaze Ares, I think. Okay, so we have here, the Z Blaze Meteor smartwatch. Okay, this is pretty similar to that one. Okay, when it comes to the design but not the features. Okay, so this one is very cheap. Okay, I think it is just less than $10. So we have the C2 Plus smartwatch. Okay, so let's have the unboxing of this wearable. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com. If you have the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. If you have any questions about this wearable, please drop a comment below. Okay, so let's check the box. So we have here the calories, sleep monitoring, alarm, and alert. Features here: heart rate monitoring, steps, calories burned, sleep quality, distance, remote control for photos, call reminder, task reminder, SMS, QQ, WeChat, Twitter, Facebook support. Okay, available in Google Play and the iOS store. Okay, for the Google Play or for the Android platform, it supports Android 4.4 and above. For the iOS, we have iOS 7.1 and above. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so we have a charging clip here. We also have the smart band here. And let's check. We have the user manual. Okay, so it is using the Yoho Sports app, available in Android and iOS. So smart wristband user manual. The user manual here is available in English and Chinese, and it reminds us of the Fit Pro user manual. Very simple. Okay, the charging clip here. Okay, and we have the wearable. Okay, so I think PC body here. We have here the charging connector. Okay, we have interchangeable silicone strap with a steel buckle. We have a physical button here. Okay, so no, it's not a button here. Okay, it looks like a button but it's not working. So the button here is on the touch button key here. Okay, and as you can see, we accidentally turned it on. So let's remove the plastic here. We have, it's a plastic glass here. Okay, or the cover here, it's plastic, it's not a glass. You have a color display. Okay, let's have a closer look at the design. Okay, again, this is a very cheap wearable or very affordable wearable. Okay, I thought at first that this is a physical button, but it's not. Okay, so we have a brush finish. We have the silver color here, lightweight, a little bit of curve on the design. We have the sensor here, heart rate sensor, I think, and we have a color display, very small. Okay, very wide bezel here. As you can see, you see the bezel here. I think it doesn't support touchscreen, but rather touch button key, as you can see here. Okay, just right for the price, I think. Okay, so it's what do you expect? It's very affordable, very cheap, less than 500 or I think less than $10. Okay, so it's an entry level smartwatch. Okay, if you don't want to spend more on a wearable, okay, I think you can get this one. Okay, it is like a one of the Fit Pro wearables. Okay, which is very affordable, cheap price, and of course the features are very limited. Also, it has the basics, but if you want if you expect a high end look as well as the features, okay, so it's not this is not the wearable that you have to pick or you have to buy. But if you want a cheap one, very affordable, and it got the basic features like steps, okay, telling time, okay, and with the sports functions, okay, this one and other Fit Pro devices is advisable. Okay, so very simple. Okay, just it looks okay, very lightweight wearable. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the menus. Okay, we have the uh, watch face. We have the sports here running. We have the health monitoring, sleep. We have the sports tracking here. That one running, I think it's the automatic step counter. We have the message notifications here, weather, music control, and more functions. We have the camera. We have the find function, theme, QR code, power off, and reset. Okay, let's go back to the sports and check it. Okay, long press. We have walking. I think this is a ball games or tennis. So we have the cycling here, running, and sit. I think we have at least 4 games. So each game might monitor the heart, the calories, or the distance. Okay, for the heart rate, let's check. Long press. Okay, so it is. Oh, so we have a beats per minute as well as the blood pressure and the oxygen monitoring. Okay, I didn't expect that. I thought that we only have a heart rate monitoring. So let's see if the wearable can detect or check. So it may take some time. So we have here 120, 98, 79 for the beats per minute, 98 for the blood oxygen, and we have I think 129 over 79 or 80. Okay, so it's okay. A long press, let's stop. Okay, sleep. Let's go back again and check for other functions here. More camera, find, theme. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, so we have at least 1, 2, 3. We have at least 3 preloaded watch faces here. Okay, let's pick this one. Long press, and we successfully change watch face. Okay, so that's it. It's showing the heart rate, the steps, and the time and date. Okay, so that's it for our the C2 Plus wearable. Okay, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Watch out for our second video of this wearable, the installation of the Yoho Sports app. Okay, We are going to show you the steps on how to install the support app in the Android platform. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.